The most common problem that I see is negligence on the homeowner's part by replacing their filter. You won't believe the problems that can be avoided by just simply replacing your air filter.
And that's one reason why Frank Asfari is out working tonight. He and his guys have been busy nearly every night with this cold weather, and he's here to fix this furnace, which apparently was having a bit of a hiccup.
I got a call that they were having no heat upstairs, and they have a newborn. A newborn should not stay in the house with no heat. And we have ignition.
Making sure this family stays warm on these cold winter nights.